Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest home appliance reviews and solutions. Today, we're taking a look at the Samsung stacking kit for 24 wide front load washer and dryer combo. If you have limited laundry space and need a small space-saving solution, then this stacking kit is exactly what you need. With the SKDH laundry stacking kit, you can efficiently organize your laundry area by stacking the dryer on top of the washer. This not only saves space in your home or apartment, but also gives you a more organized and streamlined laundry setup. Let's talk about durability. This stacking kit is built to last. It's designed to stand up to regular use, so you can trust that it will keep your washer and dryer securely stacked for years to come. When it comes to home appliances, Samsung is a name you can trust. They have been a trusted name in the industry for years, and this stacking kit is no exception. You can rely on the quality and performance that Samsung is known for. The best part? Installation is a breeze. The kit is easy to install, and all the parts you need are included. So you can have your washer and dryer stacked and ready to go in no time. So, if you're in need of a space-saving solution for your laundry area, be sure to check out the Samsung stacking kit for 24 wide front load washer and dryer combo. Trust me, you won't regret it. You can find the link to purchase this stacking kit in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.